Hello friends, welcome to GS Engineering Education. Today we will discuss GATE 2021 updates. See, this is the official website for GATE 2021. Here we are in the home page of GATE 2021 official website. Okay, so here introduction part and about GATE, all the things is given here. And if you go for the highlights of this GATE 2021, see here, the examination will be conducted on 6 days, both forenoon and afternoon, that is 12 sessions. It is fully computer based test CBT, and this year 2 new papers are introduced: environmental sciences and engineering, humanities and social sciences, and total we are having 27 papers. And the syllabus for the subjects have been revised and it is placed in the website, we can see. And if you see the exam pattern, we are having multiple choice questions, multiple select questions, numerical answer type questions. And one more thing, you can choose 1 or 2 subject papers. If you want to choose 2 papers, you have to choose from the combinations they have given. And the 2 papers can be selected, and the final allotment will be based on the availability of infrastructure and dates. And if you come for the eligibility criteria, third year students also eligible. So this is very important consideration. Okay. So third year students are also eligible for writing the examination, and there is no age limit to appear for GATE 2021. And the application process will be complete online, and the GATE score is valid for 3 years. Okay. And you are having examination centers in India as well as abroad. So based on the COVID situations, the abroad centers may be changed or they may be dropped. And this is the official website. So we are in the official website only. And this time, IIT Bombay is organizing GATE 2021. If you go for the important dates, see the dates. See, 14th September 2021, the website opens for applications, and the applications will be closed 30th September without fine and 17th October with fine. And if you want to change any changes, you can change up to 13th November 2020 by paying additional fee. And your admit card will be available 8th January 2021. And if you see the examination dates, you are having 5th, 6th, 7th, 12th, 13th and 14th, both afternoon and forenoon. If you see the timings, 9 to 12 and 3 to 6. So these are the timings for forenoon and afternoon. And if you see the GATE papers, so you are having 27 papers, and each paper, total marks in each paper is 100. Okay, so these are the papers. And if you see, if you want to choose more than 2 papers, code of the first paper and codes of the paper that allowed as second paper. So if you want to take this, if you are, this is primary paper, you can consider this as secondary paper. That is the combination. So for our mechanical, if you see this is mechanical, you can take this as second paper. Okay, so these are the papers. And if you see, this is the information brochure regarding, so complete CBT test, this one, and duration is 3 hours, and total number of papers already we have discussed 27. See the syllabus. So general aptitude and candidate selected subject. That means here for us mechanical engineering. So already we have discussed the type of questions, and the questions may be asked from recalling, comprehension, application, analysis and synthesis. And if you see the number of questions, total questions will be 65, 10 from general aptitude and 55 from your subject. And if you see for mechanical engineering, general aptitude 15 marks and engineering mathematics 13 marks and subject questions 72 marks, total 100 marks. Here the marks may be 1 mark or 2 mark questions will be there. Okay, so but total marks will be 100 and total questions will be 65. Okay, if you see this one, so this is the bifurcation of marks. So general aptitude, subject marks, total 100 and time is 180 minutes, that is 3 hours. If you go for the free examination, here we are having eligibility criteria. See here, if you see the eligibility criteria, so a candidate who is currently studying in the 3rd or higher years of any undergraduate degree program or already completed any government approved degree program in the engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce and arts. So these are eligible. That means 3rd year, final year and those who have completed degree program. Okay, in these areas they are eligible to write this examination and there is no age limit for GATE 2021. Okay, and if you see in the pre-examination you are having syllabus, you can download the syllabus for your subject. See here the list of 27 papers are given. So if you see, this is our mechanical engineering, we can download the syllabus from here. We will discuss the syllabus regarding syllabus in the coming video. Okay, and if you see the documents, what are the documents required for the application? So they have given 13 points. Read carefully these 13 points and maintain the documents with you while applying for the GATE 2021, and it will be you can apply the GATE 2021 application smoothly. And if you see, if you go for the, already we have discussed the fee and list of, if you go for the fee, see here, this is the fee. So general, for general candidate it is 1500 without fine, and with fine it is 2000, and for female candidates and SC/ST candidates and PWD candidates it is 750, right? And if you see the list of examination centers, so you are having list of examination centers here. Okay, you can check by entering here. Okay, from this one you can check the examination centers. And if you see the, from this one you can find the previous question papers and answer keys. So this is regarding updates in regarding GATE 2021. Okay, so the examination application process will start soon. Okay, so you prepare for the examination. So in the coming video we will discuss about the syllabus for mechanical engineering. Thank you.